Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Jamaica have booked their place in the semifinals of the CONCACAF Gold Cup following a 1-0 win over Panama in the quarterfinal in Philadelphia earlier today. In a game of little threat, the Reggae Boys got the referee pointing to the penalty spot when substitute Darren Mattox was fouled in the 74th minute. Mattox then got up to put away the resulting kick, which turned out to be the winning goal. The win sends Jamaica through to the last four, where they will meet either the United States or Curacao, who are now in action.
It's a great achievement. You know, I'm not an emotional person, but right now I'm fighting back tears. You know, it wasn't pretty tonight, you know, but the boys, we stick to the task, you know, and it's a tournament, you know, who cares? Sometimes it's not about playing the prettiest soccer, it's about surviving and advancing, and that's what we did tonight, you know, and I think the guys did a great job. You know, we stuck to the task, and we have to just keep going.